Hi everyone. In this short video, I just want to give you a little overview of some of the upcoming assignments that you have and how they fit into your overall research paper that you're working toward for the end of the course. So you've already completed the keywords and concept maps, reference sources assignment. You should have received feedback from me on this assignment. In particular, you want to look for what I had to say about the scholarly sources that you had at the end of that assignment. Those scholarly sources, if they are good ones that I think will work for you, if they seem relevant to your topic, they can be the sources that you end up using for many of the other upcoming assignments. So the important thing to keep in mind is that with the final paper, you are expected to have 5 scholarly primary sources in that paper. You can have more than that. You can also use some of your reference sources or popular press sources that you've already found if they make sense and work. But you must have 5 scholarly sources. So you identified some of those in this. This week you have 2 very sort of labor-intensive assignments. Both of them are assignments that are asking you to read a primary scholarly source and to sort of answer questions as you go along and to read it in a particular way. You don't have a lot else to do this week, but these are the 2 big things, and they will take you some time. So I would encourage you to get started on those as soon as possible. After you turn in these 2 assignments, you will have a 3-source log. So if you had 5 scholarly sources that you need, one of them can be used on this assignment, reading critically. A different one can be used on what it says, what it does. And then the 3 last ones can be used on your source log, which means by the time you complete this assignment, you should have found and read all of the sources that you're going to use in your final paper. So I strongly encourage you to use the best sources you can in each of these assignments, because it will mean that you don't have to go out and find more research when all you really need to be doing at the end is writing up the paper. Once you're done with the 3-source log, you will have an outline to complete for me. This is a full sentence outline. There are directions and information about it on Blackboard. You will receive extensive feedback from me on that outline. All of these lead up to the final paper that you have due in the class. So from here on out, each of these assignments should be working toward your final paper. So be smart about them. Use sources that are really going to work for you, because it will save you work in the end. Because by the time you get to the outline, you'll have all of the resources that you need.